I give this car an A++. And I'm not being biased as a Volvo owner, not at all. Just saying. You know, on the low speeds, 60 miles an hour, that Supercharger really feels nice, and it does push you back in your seat. It really does. I would suggest to you that it does its trick. It does the trick for sure. So I want to just do a little shout out to Smythe Volvo in Summit, New Jersey. Check out link below, Smythe Volvo. If you're in the New Jersey metropolitan New York area, great people. Plus their snack bar, fantastic. Good coffee. It's always about the service department and their snacks, let me tell ya. Alright, so I'm on Backroads now, and again, I'm gonna continue the same story as a real world review. I mean, obviously I'm driving this car way more aggressively than a normal person would drive on a daily basis. Maybe that's just how I drive every day, but in terms of just this video and explaining to you how this car is, it feels good. I mean, it feels really good. And again, on the back roads, as soon as I shift, there's very little delay in the throttle response. I mean, the throttle response delay that I was talking about earlier is really more on the highway, but I feel like that's every car, unless you're, like I said, in a Mercedes AMG or some sort of exotic car. And if you can hear that exhaust, it doesn't sound so bad. It really doesn't. For a 4-banger here that we're dealing with, 4 cylinders. You know, I like this car. I really do. I mean, I kind of want to drive, I want to come back when they have a Polestar in to feel how the Polestar is. But just the regular T6 model is just all around really good. Really confident on the road here. Very little body roll. It handles the bumps and the waves and the motion of the road really well. I don't feel like there's any sense of lack of control behind the steering wheel, and that's something that you need to realize in today's world with cars being so light and this and that. Like, sometimes it just feels like scary, and I don't feel that in this car. Now I'm not being biased either, because obviously I drive a Volvo, but just trying to relay this real world situation to you, and it's nice, really nice. Oh yeah, a little wet road and an acceleration and turn, always a good idea. But it feels good. It handled it well. I'm still here talking about it. It's such a nice car. I mean, just driving around town it's very pleasant in here. You know, I don't feel uncomfortable in the least. Heated seat works wonderfully. It just feels good. It feels really good. I'm really happy about this car. The Supercharger in the town, in your local driving, is a really nice thing. I would suggest to you they've refined it really nicely in the newer models. We have one of the original T6 supercharged, turbocharged engine, and the Supercharger in that engine is pretty loud. I haven't really heard the whining of the Supercharger in this car, which, as a car enthusiast, is, you know, maybe not the best thing, because I like it. It's there, but it's not in your face. And as I think a normal person, unlike myself, driving this car, they won't want to take it into the dealership and say, hey, I hear this whining noise, what is it? You know, like, it's not in your face. So alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. Unfortunately my camera cut out, so I couldn't finish off the rest of the video that was actually recorded. But I want to thank you for watching this video on this Volvo S60. It's going to be 2 parts if you're paying attention to the series. It's going to be a highway drive review, and then of course locally reviewed. I absolutely love the car, and I absolutely love you guys watching this video. So please hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and also check out the links below for some Volvo accessories, car accessories that also will support the channel via Amazon affiliation program. So again, thanks so much, guys. See you next time.